So, I'm at work and I need to have a bit of a faff around with something. This liquid here is a mixture of chicken cooking juices and some white wine. And I need, and I've got some of this white sauce mix, and it says just to add water to this. So I was kind of thinking, for the sake of ease, could I make like a chicken and white wine sauce using this white sauce mixture, these granules, and that liquid. So, will it work? I really need another hand, don't I? So, it's going to be interesting. Get it up to the boil, add a little bit. Give it a whisk. Add a bit more. So my thoughts are, you only need to add water. You just need to add this mixture, these granules to water. So the only difference is that it's got some milk powder in it, or some cream powder, or something like that, which gives it a creaminess. So I've got some more of the liquid, and so I was kind of thinking maybe if we just add some milk powder to that, and then I've got some other granules which are over there somewhere. Oops. I've got some other granules over there that are just the thickening granules. So I was kind of thinking, could I add some, oh, I'm losing it. A bit too foggy. So, will I be able to add some milk powder to the rest of the liquid, and then thicken up with some just thickening granules, and will it work? So, I'm not going to use it, I'm just faffing around, so we'll just have a taste. It's a bit salty, so I don't think that really wants to kind of work in the way that I want it to, but that might be because of the saltiness of the stock and the saltiness of the white wine. So, that's alright though, that's alright, that's answered the question. So now, we'll move. So, got some more liquid, I used to say whisk. We've got some more liquid there, and then we've got the appropriate amount of milk powder, which I've just mixed with a little bit of liquid. I'm going to pour that into there and see what happens. Like that. I'll pause. Right, so I've heated it up and I've put it in a pan. And it looks a better colour, and it hasn't split it. So let's add some of these just thickening granules and see what happens. The thickening granules aren't seasoned, so it shouldn't be too salty. That's alright, well that works. So that's a bit more. That's the route to go down. So, if I want to make a white wine sauce, I need to add milk powder rather than the white sauce granules, because they just want to make it too salty. So there we go. An interesting experiment, probably just for me.